it gives. This with like a all black outfit, or this with like a all red outfit. So hi guys, in today's video I wanted to do a full in-depth review of my Brandon Blackwood trunk. I have a mini trunk and it has all the updates and upgrades because I bought it during trunk week. So I wanted to give you guys a full review and show you guys what the updates on the bags look like. So let's get into this video. So let's start off with trunk week. I actually super duper appreciated that he dedicated a whole week to people actually buying trunks and pre-ordering what type of trunk they want and how many they want, and actually having everybody that desired that type of bag have it. And if you guys don't know, Brandon Blackwood is a fashion designer. He designs bags and he is also Jamaican, and it was super duper important to me that I started spending money with people that look like me, people that are of my kind of people. So that's why I'm super into buying Brandon Blackwood bags or Teflon bags now. So I appreciated trunk week a lot, and I got the bag that I wanted. The site didn't crash, it didn't sell out in like 5 minutes or anything like that. Everybody got to have the bag that they wanted from him on that day, and I appreciate that. Let me just say, the bags that he's coming out with now, fire. Okay, I already have my eyes on 2 other bags that he have on his website. Like, he is amazing at designing bags. Mine was actually ordered on February 11th, and I got mine on, let's see, I got mine like a week ago. I got mine on July 19th or 20th. I got mine on July 20th or 19th, one of those days. So trunk week was a pre-order week. I absolutely did not know that. I think the next time he's doing trunk week, he needs to make it be known that you're not going to get your bags until a certain time, because I was just of the impression that it was gonna be a month or 2 wait for my bags, but it was a long time. So February, March, April, May, June, July. So it was like 5 months, almost 6 months really, to wait for the bag, which is why I said he needed to be clearer on the pre-order and when the bags are supposed to be expected. But the site was smooth sailing. I got my bag, it didn't crash, none of that. He ships his items with UPS, and one thing I will say, I do not appreciate how these shipping companies deal with black businesses, and I see it a lot because during the summer I've been making sure that I buy a lot of things from a lot of different black designers, and I see how they do black entrepreneurs when it comes on to shipping, and it's completely sad. So when I got my notification that my bag was supposed to be delivered, I was up waiting. They didn't ring my doorbell until 10 at night. I wasn't going to open my door for anybody at 10 at night, especially somebody that I didn't invite and I didn't know, because I was looking on my camera system and I couldn't see who was out there. I guess he just left, rang the doorbell, then left. So I was like, whatever, I'm not worried about it. Came home the next day, it says that my bag was delivered. I came home, asked babe, where is my stuff? Babe was like, what stuff are you talking about? I said the stuff that was supposed to be delivered today, that we got that little note on the door that says we missed you, we will re-deliver your item. Babe said he didn't get any items. So I'm like, what the hell? So I go on there and check the tracking. It says that they delivered my item to a CVS near me. They didn't leave anything on my door that says they missed me again, and you're supposed to attempt to deliver your package 3 times or 2 times for UPS. So that caught me off guard completely. I was like, so I hurry up and went to the CVS and got my item, and that's how I got my bag. They really need to do better when they're doing like shipping, like black entrepreneur stuff. They do us dirty all the time. I'm going to show you the unboxing of this bag because girl, I could not wait. I was not gonna wait. Okay, I unboxed this bag like a few weeks ago in my vlog, but I'll insert the footage right here and then I will come back. Okay, so that is the unboxing. You guys see how it came, and it comes with in a white nice box with Brandon Blackwood New York on here. I also love that he don't ship his bags in this packaging, but it comes in like a brown box, so if you're shipping your items, no one will know what's in there, because this costs a pretty penny, and if someone sees it, they're going to be like, okay, I can steal this. And I'm happy with the way he did that. Inside the box also comes with Brandon Blackwood, and I love the details in his packaging. And then it comes with a custom note, handwritten note, which is also amazing. And it says, thank you for your purchase, enjoy your new pieces, and come and can't wait to see how you style it 2020. And it has his signature on there, which is super duper smart and intricate. people love seeing customizations with brands, so this is a nice additive to the packaging. And then in the bottom of the box, let me take that out. In the bottom of the box, it comes with styrofoam, and also inside the box it has Brandon Blackwood all over. So he's doing the thing with branding. He's doing it. And then my bag comes with a duffel bag, not a duffel bag, a dust bag. So my bag comes with a dust bag. And then my baby, my absolute baby. So I have a mini trunk in the cow skin, and when I tell you, this gives, it gives. This with like a all black outfit, or this with like a all red outfit, you eating, okay? Eating. And I absolutely love the updated hardware. So this is cow skin, and I love the fact that they give you a envelope. So this envelope right here tells you exactly how to take care of whatever material that your bag is made of. Absolutely amazing, because I've seen some review videos where people were like commenting on how this like cow skin here didn't last very long, or it's shedding, or the metallic ones is rubbing off on their clothes or whatever. So he gives you care instructions. It comes with the Brandon Blackwood embossed in the bag, and it's kind of raised, and I love that. The cow skin, and the print is amazing. The craftsmanship on this bag is amazing. The texture that is amazing. You can tell a lot of work went into like this fabric, because everything is completely laid down on the back. All the hairs are laid down on the side. All the hairs are laid down. You can tell that a lot of work and craftsmanship went into this. And then for the hardware, this was what a lot of people were talking about with their other trunks, and some people were complaining that their trunks wasn't keeping shut, so it wouldn't stay closed. And he updated the clasp. So the clasp right there, that's how it looks. It's a B, and it has Brandon Blackwood on the side of the clasp, and it's a B, and all you do to open it is you flip it open, and then your trunk is open. So, and then you close it, which I like a lot. So you won't have to worry about your trunk actually accidentally being open or anything like that, because you have to physically open it, and I love that for me. The material, everything is amazing. I have zero complaints with my bag. The updated hardware is amazing. The way it came packaged, amazing. I have zero complaints. I love how black men especially are entering into the era of providing like affordable luxury item to us, and I love that for us, absolutely. And I will keep buying these Brandon Blackwood bags, and I will keep buying these Teflon bags. I don't care what anybody says. So this is how it looks. I have a mini trunk, so I'm gonna try packing some stuff in here so I can see. So this is my phone. My phone is kind of big, and I don't think my phone is gonna fit in here. So this is my phone. my phone definitely don't fit. So if you have a big phone or a big iPhone, it's not going to fit. I will say, like, my tulip gloss, my card holders and my keys definitely fit inside here. You have a good amount of space, but it is a trunk. It is square. A square or rectangle? No, it is a trunk. It's kind of more on the rectangle side, so a lot of stuff is not going to fit in here. Like from the outside it looked like it will fit, but it's not going to fit. I would say if you want your phones and other necessity items to fit in your bag, definitely get a trunk. This is a mini. I'm definitely gonna get a trunk, okay? But I wanted a statement piece, and this definitely gives statement and does what it's supposed to do. And then we also get a long strap, and I love the fact that the strap is adjustable. Like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 holes on this strap that you are able to adjust your bag to, which is super duper amazing. And I love how long it is. And I can probably also wear my trunk as like a waist belt on my side or something if I wanted to, which is amazing. I know a lot of people had a hard time with like the length of bags and stuff, but I feel like this length is super amazing. And if you want to carry it on your shoulder or just over your body, this is going to be perfect because it has so many holes that you can actually adjust this to. So if you're like bigger or a wider frame person, you don't have to worry about if it's actually going to fit around your body or anything like that, because it has 7 holes that you can adjust to. So with all of that being said, do I think it's worth the money? Do I think it's worth the wait? Absolutely. It's everything, and it far beyond exceeded my expectations. Okay, I was jumping out my skin when I unboxed this bag. It met every single expectation and more. So if you're trying to get one, if you want to get one, get it. Do not hesitate. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.